Auto Clicker and Auto Tapper application for Android are automation tool designed to simulate user tap and click on the device's screen. These apps are particularly useful for automatic repetitive tasks such as gaming, data entry, or navigating through various applications, thereby saving time and effort for user. The best auto clicker app typically feature user-friendly interface that allow user to easily set up and customize click pattern, adjust the speed of click and define specific areas of the screen to target. Many offer option for single tap, double tap and long press, making them versatile for different type of applications. So install this application, go to Google Play Store and search Auto Clicker Auto Tapper and install it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.